Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you what you could expect from the Premiere Salon. This is the Premiere Lounge at Charles de Gaulle Airport. Please follow me on Instagram at BrandonJohnson10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I will be reviewing in the future. So this is a full look at the Premiere Salon, and this is reserved for Premiere customers only. Remember, you can be connecting and use this lounge on both ends. So whether you're connecting from a short European flight through Charles de Gaulle on a long haul, or if you're connecting on a long haul flight onto a short European flight, you can have access to this lounge complimentary. So you've got some pre-done goods, pre-done food, some beverages up here that you can grab. This was during the morning time. At the end, I will show you menus for breakfast and a lunch menu as well. So this is the a la carte dining space in this lounge. You got some decent views of the tarmac also, and again, you've got a la carte dining. You do have bathrooms, you've got showers, you've got the Sicily Spa, which you can book a treatment beforehand and before coming to this lounge. I talked about that in the Premiere Experience video, so you'll want to check that out. I'll leave a link for that. And you got plenty of seating space. Now, this lounge, I imagine, is never really full because it's very limited footprint to Air France First Class, which is reserved for 4 seats on select 777. So not a ton of opportunities to use this lounge, I guess, if you're flying Air France, but I think that's part of what makes it great. There is, you have the bar area as well. Is because of the exclusivity, and it's much more difficult to get in the first class seats on Air France than really any other airline, because you can book this with miles, Premiere, but you have to be a Flying Blue, Gold, or Platinum member to do it, and it's going to cost you quite a few miles there. And the good thing is they are transfer partners with American Express, City, I believe Chase as well, Ultimate Rewards, they're a transfer partner, so you have options to get miles over there. But again, you do have to be Flying Blue, Gold, or Platinum to be able to actually redeem for Premiere. So that's the catch. Yes, the Sicily Spa was closed when I arrived. Well, when I was filming this anyway. They did open while I was there to look at the showers. So you're definitely going to want to get into the third shower. I'll show you that at the end as well, because that's the large shower, which has a lot more space. It can be tight with a couple of bags here and than normal with the first 2 shower stalls, so keep that in mind as well. So I'm going to leave you with the rest of the lounge. As always, I do appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.